Katie. Are you going to say hi to Daddy? Say hi to Daddy. Looks like the only thing that's eliciting a smile these days might be Mr. O. But that's a big smile. That's a big smile. Yeah. Oh, don't be upset. Don't be scared of that lion next to you. Yeah. Hey, you just handed it up for the camera, huh? Yeah. You give it a couple more of those little feet kicks. Kick those feet. Kick those feet. Oh, someone else wants to say hello. Hello, Dad. Why are you holding me captive with these ladies? I miss my other man. Okay. One more hello for Daddy. Oh, big smile. You're saving him up until you get to see your Daddy. All right, we love you, honey. Bye-bye.